I often find myself in discussions about multifamily units. And I was wondering if you could comment, Mark, on multifamily units versus single-family homes in Atlanta, and what is a better investment in your opinion?
Well, I find that people in the multifamily space are usually seasoned investors. And when you're dealing with seasoned investors, you don't have the same extreme highs and extreme lows as you do in the single family market. So you have a much more even investment level, and the pricing doesn't change as wildly. And that actually is a disadvantage to us because we see that the single family homes are priced very, very low at some times and then can go irrationally high at other times. So when we're collecting at a very low period, we want to resell at that very high period. And we don't have the same opportunity in the multifamily space.
I think another big plus for the single-family home market is that you can sell off individual homes where you can't really do that with a multi. You have to sell the whole unit together.
Correct. I mean, if you have a portfolio of properties, you're able to often sell off one or two of those properties as you have a need for cash.